my trades online just for fun, yeah. Future slowly know it's trending #1, yeah. Coming flowing up from Chicago to New York, it's happening. What's happening? I feel my heart drop, can't make it stop. Wi-Fi connected, we're taking over, Gaga. Everybody's scalping, boom, boom, bah, ah. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. Animate que se Kylie. Everybody's scalping, todo el mundo scalping, boom, boom. My phone won't stop, notifications crazy. People worldwide watching me trade from Miami streets to the LA beaches. We're going viral, baby. Don't try to stop me when we're all competing. Hashtag trending, future story streaming. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. Mirate que se Kylie. Everybody's scalping, todo el mundo scalping. Whoa, whoa. Long trade, short trade, this ain't no pump and dump. Tag all of your friends, let's take it worldwide. Cause we're just in the zone. Futures flow connects us all, breaking down the falls, generated profit. So when you know you were my face, we don't need no ICT, no FBG. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. Amigas que se Kylie. Everybody's scalping, todo el mundo scalping. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. Amigas que se Kylie. Everybody's scalping, todo el mundo scalping. So start, let's go.
Let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet, and we're already out. We also trade offline, and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're not going to get to the charts. We're going to do a sound check. Let me just make sure that everything is working. Sounds good. If anybody thinks it's too low or too high, let me know. But I think it's good. Okay, so let me close that up. No, we don't need that because it's probably causing an echo. And let's start off with the situation of my cough. Well, I hope that it's not going to bother me too much today. I had a theory that my coffee was aggravating it, maybe drinking the coffee with the cream or something. Because I usually start off good in the morning and then and then I struggle. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully today it won't bother me too much. I got the lo-fi music playing in the background. Keep me relaxed, keep me calm, make sure I trade well. Let's start off with the 15-minute chart. As always, gray box is the Asian session. And I like to see what we did in the London session in relation to the Asian session. Check out, see if we taken out the lows and the highs of the Asian session. We obviously took out the lows. There's some big bars here, eh? You know what? Maybe it's not the coffee. Maybe it's the talking that irritates it. Anyways, yeah, I was just noticing, look at the size of these bars here. One big one. One large bull. One large extended bar. Interesting. Means we're due for one right now. No, of course it doesn't mean we're due for one that night. Anything can happen. Yeah, so what do I check? I check to see if we've taken out both sides of the Asian session. Sorry, I got a little diverted there. We've taken out the lows. We haven't taken out the highs, but oof, we kind of kissed them. I'm not sure what the theory is on that. If we had taken them out, I would say that, well, we're going to see the Asian session lows again, but we've actually done that also. Okay, so that's kind of irrelevant. No information I can take out of that. Step 2. Where are we trading? We are... Wow, look at that. We're 400 points below yesterday's high. And we are currently below yesterday's close and yesterday's low and just a little bit above VWAP. So if we can get under VWAP and hold, that's quite bearish because we'd be under all 4 levels. We'd also be under midnight open, which I will bring down. That's that blue line, which is the midnight open, seems to be also pretty much previous day's close. I'll leave it a little further away just so that it doesn't cover the other one. So if we get below VWAP, I don't know, I think a possible or a likely target would be the London session lows at 21,284. That's 120 points away, so that's a good ways away. Let me check out the 30-minute chart. Certainly don't need this anymore. Don't need that anymore. Do I want to create a steep trend line? F2. Let's see if this brings any value to our... That's 3 touches. So if we can get through that to the upside, maybe we'll consolidate here for a bit. What's impressive is that this zone here, this light blue zone, which we came into 3 times. And I was expecting it to rally off that actually, because we had some pretty strong moves when we touched it late January. And this is about first week, a little bit after the first week of February. I mean, look how it rocketed off that level as soon as we touched it. And we kind of aggressively went up again when we touched it here, but no, look, we failed. It failed to hold. And actually for me, this is a pretty strong setup to the downside now, because if you fail to hold, price got below, we got some space, and now we retraced back into it. So if we don't break above, This is a strong setup to the downside. Right there. Interesting. Anything else that I wanted to maybe take a look at? These levels are quite a bit lower, but I'm going to mark them off. Horizontal line. I want to see the yeah, going to make them a little bit bigger though, but I want to see the levels that stopped the declines back in February and late January, where we reversed. Let's make them solid. And 3. We're going to make that the template, the default. I think it's better. Keep them orange or red there, because they're bottoms, they're lows, so I guess that's an appropriate color for them. There we go. Futures trader, are we having a first green day today? I hope so. Yeah. We're trading right at the previous day's close. We're just a little bit under it, so let's see. We just got to get over 427, and we could be green. I think also that it needs to find some support first. Yep, I do agree. I don't know if you saw this trend line that I drew here. It's a very steep trend line, but if we can get onto the other side of it, maybe we're going to take at least a break from this decline here and can have a bit of a retrace and maybe go back up 25, 30, 40%. I have 300, 215, 145 are heavy. News night to do something today, even that those red folder news, in my opinion. Take a quick look at oil. I don't think that was a trade. No, it's not black, so there's nothing going on in oil. Chart's ready for the opening drive play, which is going to be in, is my clock even in the right place? Yes, 6 minutes from now. Let me take a quick look at NQ and ES on the 5-minute chart. I would say NQ is showing a little bit more relative strength compared to ES. We've gotten above midnight open. We got above previous day's close, a little bit stronger. We're still above VWAP. And if I look at this little rotation here, we managed to get right up to these highs in the Asian session. ES wasn't able to make it that high. So there's weakness there. We will watch and see. But aside from the opening drive play, which I'm going to put up because that's the first trade that's going to be taken, let's automated. I will also be trading to the short side, looks like, if I can get any retraces and then some continuation. Looks like what I'll be jumping into. Counter-Strike's going to be trading Bulenox. I'm starting my Bulenox account up $48 from the first minute of trading at 6 o'clock. I like to take that trade. Actually, I like to enter on the first seconds, but with Bulenox, my orders are hanging for like 45 seconds now all the time. I don't like that. I don't know if I'm in my position, out of my position. Wow, I'm still... What a shame. The opening drive could have killed it yesterday if we didn't get put into the long by just a few seconds. The timing was off by just a few seconds, and opening drive would have caught that whole short move down. What can you do? I'm going to keep looking at that 30-minute chart with that trend line because I'm curious to see if we're able to get above it. But for the stream, we'll watch the opening drive. I'd like to catch a good move in it today. I also realized I have to be aware that if it goes long, I can't take a short in my other account because my scalping system is going to be taking shorts now. Okay, 15 seconds. I'm on the right account. I'm gonna switch to the 1 minute chart also over here for now. I know 21,450 is the level. And let's see what we get. The markets are opened. Watch an open and drive. And I do have to say I got lucky there. My first trade was a loser. But because of the delay, opening drive. Yeah, the delay in filling the order. Actually, on both sides. It ended up actually being a profitable trade. Just want to put some money in the till for the first trade or two. What do we got for volatility? 16.5 points. That's not bad. Opening drive is going to go short in 19 seconds, most likely. You know what I find? I was reviewing the results. Hey, what, Chip? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. There we go. Opening drive is short 4. Let me try and improve my price. Now, if I can get a short on my Renko system, I can even add and hope for a nice flush down, and that'll be a killer day with 16 contracts. But first I gotta get a down bar on my Renko system. And I gotta hope for a nice continuation once that happens. 47, it's going to be at 43, I think. Wow, really? Under my entry? That's amazing. Let's go. Let's trade down to 43. You know you want to. We saw 49 there. 47. Hot damn. Let me go crazy aggressive. Let's go into the 40s. No. Oh shit, I forgot I had the I wanted to trade aggressive. I forgot I had the PDLL. You see the problem with the PDLL is it stops you out. I can't trade aggressive with a PDLL. Okay, I gotta remember that for tomorrow. Another mistake. Cost me $700. That's fantastic. Well, that's how we learn, I guess, by making mistakes. Nothing yet from Counter-Strike. So that's good. Well, Counter-Strike actually just went short. It's all in the wrong account. That's why I don't see it. Order canceled. Counter-Strike starting off with a loss. Wow, this is turning out to be a crappy day again. I know they can't all be good, but let's see some downward price movement. There we go. That's one. That's discouraging. Well, I'm surprised. I'm going to have to take a look at the 30-minute. I'm curious where we are on that line. Maybe that's why price is holding. the way it is. Yeah, we're showing some strength there, right? And somehow I'm short 4 contracts. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Talk about distracted, disorganized trading. Okay, so Counter-Strike took a winner. That's good. I'm looking for a bit of a retrace and then a short. I would still be in my opening drive play, but that didn't work out. As I traded it aggressively and I forgot about my PDLL. Not fun. But anyways, I guess it's a reminder not to trade it aggressively. Because right now I would be in the green. Very disturbing. Okay, let's move past that. Counter opening drive's not going to trade anymore, so we can go to the 1 minute chart. Let me just take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, that's what I said. If we don't get above that trend line, that's a very strong sell signal. Okay, now we're ripping higher here. This is a pretty zigzaggy market. There really hasn't been a lot of trades that I could have jumped in on, to be honest with you. Let me take a look here. Mark the 930 open. Vertical line, 930.03, 930.02, and the one before that is 929. So there were yeah, I guess there were three trades that were Wow, look at this side, potentially enterable, but I didn't catch him. I think I got 2 of them. And then I forgot that I was short on my Apex account while I was looking at something else. That's okay. We're at the US session lows. We're going to bounce off here. Go back up again. And we're going to break the US session lows. There we go, fill me. Fill me on that. Got back some of those stupid losses. Yeah. Got my theory that the coffee is irritating my throat. I thought that before, actually. It's not the first time that thought entered my mind. Okay, I'm going to get a short signal here. If we can get down to, there we go. That improved my price. Let's limit the risk on this trade. And every 7 or so points, I'll peel a piece off unless I gotta get out. My stop is at 50 and I am short at 42, so 8 points. Buy one at market. You know what? I'm gonna be happy with my 165, given that I screwed up on sorry. Given that I screwed up by forgetting. Counter-Strike took a winning trade there. Yeah, I missed 2 winning trades Counter-Strike by turning it off. I don't even know why I turned it off. I think it was an accident too. How many accidents can a person make in a day? Is there even a limit? Yeah, push lower. Me too, I say push lower. Looks like it wants to. Looks like it's going to make a quick move down. I know why it's doing that. It's because of how I'm exiting my orders. I have to exit with a bid. If I exit with a market order, it removes the strategy. Let's go lower. Okay, well, the Bulenox counts up 100 and the other Bulenox counts up 50. Nothing great, but I do want to trade them conservatively. The only problem I have is that $700 loss staring me in the face again. That was an error. Shouldn't have even been a loss. I just would have let it sit at 4. My mistake. We learn from our mistakes, and thankfully it's not that big of a loss. So we got a bit of a retrace again here in a market that seems to be very heavy. so I'll be looking to go short again as soon as we get some continuation. Right now my level will be around 21,322, where I'll be looking to go short. And it's kind of like a trailing entry. As we go higher, my entry rises. What I like is that I got VWAP. Let's go after this trade here. I got VWAP. I have the previous day's close, the midnight open. I have a lot of things. Target filled. Oh, that's good. I didn't even see that. Got a lot of things above me, so that helps push it lower. But the fact that we're trading under yesterday's low is pretty bearish, I have to say. Take another piece off. It's good enough. I'm at 465 on that account. That brings my balance to 152,900. Okay, getting there, getting there. The other one's at 149, but honestly, I made two mistakes, two huge mistakes. Yesterday I traded it a second time. Should have been I should have been down just 300, and today I should be up instead of down 700. So that's an $800 mistake. It's almost pissed away $1,000 there. That's terrible. What can you do? Except learn from your mistakes. I'll have to go over them in my head. Come on, push it lower. Don't want to lose in this. Didn't want to lose on that trade. Was trading the Bulenox account on another computer. And yes, there's a reason why I don't put it on this computer. It's because Bulenox has that don't copy to other companies policy, so I don't want them even to say, oh, you were connected to another firm. Don't want to give them the opportunity to say that. That was interesting. Wasn't even watching it, but Counter-Strike took another winner. So what did we get? We have a lot of two-bar reversals, eh? You know what? But I don't even know the rules on that two-bar reversal, really. I don't know. Does it have to be 2 bars? This could be a very bearish candle right here, though. That's forming on the 1 minute. I'd be curious to know if David's taking it. Let's see where we close. I think we closed in the right place. Okay, well, my Bulenox accounts are up 200 and 172. So I think I'm going to close it now. I can show you guys later if you want. Cancel all orders, positions, flatten everything, strategies, remove, and close the platform. Short, target 197. Yeah, where were those lines that I drew in? They were far down. Oh, much lower. Even under 21,000. So that was based on the 15-minute chart, I think. Did I find those levels down there? No, it had to be based on the 30-minute chart. Yeah, got those levels from down here and down here. Yeah, there's potentially a lot of move to trade. A lot of room to trade down to the downside. Okay, added a few more dollars to this account. The other ones are kind of getting neglected, but when I have a full loss, I'll stop at 43 points. 43 points is good. Oh, that's an accidental short. Let me cover it. because it was one of those cases where it didn't actually go short yet. 53, okay, I'm 1 point better. Oof. Well, that was a loser. That was a big loser, actually. Coming up to 10 o'clock, eh? So this could be the 10 o'clock reversal, number one. Doesn't mean we're going to see the London highs, but at least a temporary 10, 15, 20-minute change of direction. Okay, I got a piece back from that damaging trade. And I went in the right direction, so I'm proud of myself. Long. Let's try it one more time. Let's get up to 87. No, gotta get back out. That was an ineffective scalp, and I think I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock comes now. Take my hand off the mouse. I'm going to short 60. I need a sweater, I'm cold. We're getting there. Unless you meant 360. Yeah, I'm thinking I had 500 in that PA account, plus 500 I should have stopped because that is my goal, that is my target. 500 a day gets me to 5,000 in 10 days. That is nothing to complain about. If you make 500 a day, it brings you to 10,000 in a month. Just on that one account. Plus my 200 a day in my two Bulenox accounts, that's another 8,000 at the end of the month. And I'm not touching my three PA accounts. I just got to get the other one to start making money with opening drive. I got to stop making mistakes. News in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm out. My strategies, well, they won't trade anymore anyways. Counter-Strike is closed. Opening drive trader, let me disable it just to make sure it doesn't go stupid. Consumer confidence, $500 a day is hard to do. No, I don't think so. Not with 5 and 10 lots. Micros. I should be able to get 50 points, 60 points a day with the way I trade with the Renkos, if it's a decent day. Asia high hasn't been swept. No, it hasn't. I noticed. It got kissed, though. Oh, so close. By like a point. What's the spread right now? Small. 50, 75, 50, 75. Half a point, 3/4 of a point, so that's okay. Volatility, I'm certain, is high. Wow, look at that, it's off the charts right now. 34 points, wow. Okay, we're trading into that bearish fair value gap. Might give me a short trade on my Renkos. I don't know. You know what? That's a pretty large dump the markets took already. I got in at 11. I'm supposed to be in at 10. Only 1 point better. That's a little discouraging. Take one piece off. Take 2 pieces off. I don't want to take risk. Let it go down again. Another 10 points. I'll take another piece off. Getting up. You know what? I'm over my 500. 546. That was a good scalp. Let's give me. That was a good scalp. Let me switch over to some of my other accounts. Let's not be greedy. Let's share the love. I just got to see what size they are. No, I'm gonna make a, I hope not a stupid error. But I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a 1 lot, just a 1 lot. I'll tell you why soon. Go up, come on, go up. Give me 10 points on this 1 lot. Let's go, let's go. It's gonna make me cross 153,000. Don't make me lose. Keep my finger on the close button if I see that I get stopped out. Nah, so close. Shit. Shit, Lamard. That didn't work out well. I want to cross 153,000 today. That'll make me happy. Okay. Oh, really? So fast? Wow. Jesus Christ, I didn't even see that. Oh, I'm getting raped here, man. I'm getting shredded. No! Oh man, I cannot believe what I just did. didn't fill me. Go big or go home. I need my money back. Okay, I'm back up 253. Yes, irresponsible, stupid trading, but oh, now it just almost gave a short signal. That one could be a good short, so that's a trade I should take. Let's go, push it. There we go. Push it. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Back up 423. Ah, lordy, lordy, that's some scary trading. Well, we're consolidating here, that's for sure. I mean, you know, I'm talking the last 5 minutes. It's not like a 14-hour consolidation, but still. Okay, go up, go up, go up. We're consolidating. Go up. No. Go up, go up, go up, go up. Wait. Tabernacle. I'm getting chopped in the consolidation. Yeah. Yeah, I know. You gotta take me off. Okay, well, after this one, after I get raped on this one. I'll tell you in a minute. Okay, with all that being said, I'm going to go refresh my coffee and use my puffer because my throat is bothering me. So give me a second. I'll be back.
speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Okay, I see we're tumbling again.
We rise like
I used my inhaler.
as the chemicals that take us higher.
Hopefully,
The night's young, it has just begun.
21071.
Puts a hand in mine.
It's going to take a few minutes. Well, we're coming up to those levels there, just under the 21,000. Very interesting. Not far away now.
Never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon.
So, just hoping that 21,071. Yeah, so hoping that my
As the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again.
throat stop bothering me soon enough.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I wanted to use my trade copier today. I completely forgot. The markets are just selling off, eh? Let me take a small piece here and participate.
Moonlights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regret.
I'm gonna catch the bottom of this.
Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top. We're gonna
Yeah, looks like it. So that was a very damaging day for me. Thankfully, the PDL kicked in again. Yeah. Yeah, the good news is the Bulenox accounts did well. And the good news is those amounts are small and recoverable, so let's just see how far this can go with a 2-lot. And that was an example of very poor trading. Gotta be more focused tomorrow. Oh, that's a sell. Okay, well, I think I'm going to be happy with what amounts I can make now. I made 200 in a 25K account. That's good. Let's see if we can get down to 50, 56 on this. Just lower the risk because I'm kind of off, but I do want to get down. There you go, 56, but I'm not ready to cover. Now I'm ready to cover. One. Now I'm going to let this one go, see how far it can go down. Oh, look at that, another 14 points. That was a quick 14 points. I'll take it. 71. There's good moves, good follow through. As long as you're going with the trend and not doing. Took 2 trades, 173. Yeehaw, yeah, good for you. Look at my bad results. Okay, let's get up to 77. Okay, 120 in that account. Little scalps for me today now. Although I just got a real valid short signal, so I have to take that one. That's not an impulsive trade. I'll take a piece off just to play it conservatively, and let's see how far we can go. Hopefully there'll be some continuation on this one. And nope. Well, that didn't work out. Let's see some dump. One more 7-point dump. Okay, didn't get the 7-point dump, but I could get back in if I see something there. If I see 63, if we trade up to around 70. 63, 65, 66. Should even put in a limit order. Not wrong direction. Definitely wrong direction. I could try this as a scalp. Oh, that was nice. What's happening? RDR. That means initial balance is going to be forming. Why do I use RDR for initial balance? I don't know. I think when I was introduced to the concept of it, it was by somebody else who had a lot of incredible statistics. And I'm just thinking about something. Yeah, I had a lot of incredible statistics, and he called it something else. The daily range, the true daily range or something. Okay, let's get up to 70. Really? How did that work out like that? System is short at 56. Wow, I only got 56.75 and it's already out. Lord. I'm just off on everything. I gotta close it up today. What's the size of my other account? The other account is a 25K account. Okay, that's it. Hit auto liquidation on all of them. Congratulations, Mike, except for one. Another example of poor trading. How much can you make on a 25K account? It's 30%. That's what. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to stop at 370. Okay, well, that was a very bad day. I have nothing else to trade. At least I didn't blow my account. Very discouraged. I'm fully dejected. What to do, what to do. I missed what happened. Yeah, I wish I missed what happened. I'm not sure what you're talking about, but if you look at my numbers, that's what happened. Ugliness. Long 74. Yeah, I would be long now. I'm not going to trade. Well, I can't trade anymore because 4 accounts hit PDLL, and the one that didn't, it's a 25K account, and I don't want to make more than $400 in it. So, due to the what do they call it there? The consistency rule. Those stupid consistency rules. Gotta go over my Bulenox contract. I don't know if my Bulenox accounts have that. All the mistakes were avoidable. All of it was making bad decisions. FOMO. Curious, was that the bottom that was put in? Oh my god, my god, my god, this just all started so bad. It's like, I got stopped out max loss on the opening drive play because I took too many contracts and my PDL kicked in on this. A little bit of a retrace, but now the opening drive play was never taken out of the trade. Got short at 334. My god, up 300 points today. I had a 4 lot. That would have been $2,400. Did I throw away? Yeah. Everything I did was bad. I just threw away my day today. All I can say is, hopefully I'll learn from it. Do. Why am I hearing that? And yet I don't hear the crude signal. How did crude do today? Anything? Wow, crude suddenly has gone to sleep. I almost think my programming is wrong. I guess that's why I didn't hear anything. I didn't put it up on the screen. Nothing to see. I'm sad. All those red numbers should be green. That's just lack of emotional control. It's the same story every damn day. Hey, I was supposed to be using the channel as an accountability partner and I even forgot that. I guess I wouldn't keep forgetting everything. Maybe my performance would be a little bit better. That was the move of a lifetime. And Dickhead here didn't profit from it at all. It happens. Problem is, it's not supposed to happen to a person with my level of experience. It's supposed to happen with someone who's new at trading and is figuring it out. I know all this already. It's inexcusable, is what it is. Yep. Done for the day. Red day for me. Well, join the club. I don't know, yeah, my results show there. Shitty red day for me too. Bulenox is not bad. Bulenox, I have my two master accounts. One's up 300 or 293. The other one's up 370. And then that PA Apex, that's a 25K account, up 370. But the other ones are disasters, and it's all my fault. It's all my fault. Wasn't that the markets didn't move with my systems. It was me trying to outsmart my systems and being greedy and over trading when I shouldn't be trading. And all the stupid shit that traders do. Eight red, 7 green, but one more payout at least. Yeah, good. Congratulations. Approved. Ah, good man. Good job. Shit, my 150K account was going to go to 153, and now I'm at 151 something. That was such a stupid mistake. I said I'll tell you guys what I'm doing. What I was doing is I was trying to make $17 to get it to 153, and it cost me $1,100. How's that for stupidity? Yeah. There's days when it's just better to walk away. Some days it seems like it's every day for me. I need a beer. There's a lot of 2-bar reversals. Look at all those red and green lines. Yes, it does, but it's early here. It's only 10 in the morning. And besides, we're basically a non-alcohol family. We really don't drink beer or wine or vodka, anything like that. We have it, but we're not drinkers. What chip? I have your song. I'll play it. Not your song. The song. What I call your song. I played it at the beginning also. It's hard to walk away when streaming. Yeah, that's it. But I thought that I'm not streaming if I can't read market well. Need to go Helsinki to play some heavy metal tomorrow, so no stream. Okay, cool. Enjoy. Last one Tradify eval today. OCO. Oh yeah, an OCO news trade. Wasn't even red folder news. Cool. You trading with Tradebait or Ninja Trader? Well, Not sure if I could see on your charts because you have it kind of like faded out. The opacity is low, you know. That was $500 from Tick Tick Trader payout, but took max loss with that account. Wow. That's some aggressive trading. Oh yeah, the payout and these things. The weird things that play into our minds with prop firms that don't play into our minds with regular accounts. No, I did have a plan. I didn't follow my plan, and I did too much size. I just impulsively traded momentum on very fast charts. Kind of like, I guess the best way to explain is like opening up a 5-second chart, and every time you see price move up, you get in, and every time you see price move down. I went to very low time frames and just impulsively trade and threw my plan out the window and then oversized. Very amateur mistake. And it doesn't upset me so much that it happened. It upsets me so much that it happens so often. That's really what upsets me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put a process in place for it not to happen anymore. Asia highs. Asia highs, they are very far away. That is a very optimistic target. But there's an expression in French, on sait jamais, you never know. We never know. And like Topstep says, ACH, anything can happen. Okay, when I close up my screen, what I'm going to do is I am going to summarize the Bulenox rules and the Apex rules. I got to get familiar with them. Especially the consistency rule. Like, I don't know, do I need to stop here at 370 on my 25K account, or could I have gone to 500? I got to see what they are. I'm not even sure what the consistency rule is for payouts with Apex. On the payout side, I think it's 30. I think we talked about it yesterday. Christmas colors today. Well, I don't know. I wouldn't call mine Christmas colors. I would call mine Sunday Bloody Sunday colors. 30% Apex. Okay, so 370 is good. It's a 25K account. I'll stop around there. Yes, exactly. Sizing down. Sizing down is the key. That was a great song also, Sunday, Bloody Sunday. Not sure if you guys like U2, but I loved that song when I was young. I still love it. I think it's a classic for the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Some songs are kind of timeless. U2, that one, Where the Streets Have No Name, was also really good. I had tickets to go to U2, but gave those to my friend, and we watched some boxing. He gave up a U2 concert for boxing? You know, I feel like an alcoholic who just drank 2 bottles of vodka, and I'm not drunk, and I'm just looking at the bottles and saying, what did I do? I need a hug. Where's my wife? My wife's at work. Maybe my son will give me a hug. Boxing, Nordic Nightmare, Mr. Can't see that. Mr. Helenas had big fight. Yeah. I don't know Mr. Hellenius. I don't know much about the fighting world. My boys watch MMA a lot. And the UFC. That's popular over here. Boxing, not so much. It lost its popularity once the UFC came out. We Finnish people drink a lot. If you're just passed here, like in the park, police will... If you passed out in the park, the police will take you home. I'm not sure what they would do here. Maybe they would take you home. When we were at that last European tour, we had French tour manager. We haven't met Finnish people before. He said that he hasn't ever seen a band that oh my god, not 3,000. No way. Maybe you added a zero there by accident. If you guys drink that much, how are you not obese? What's the secret to your weight loss? Hold on, let's do the math on that. You said 2 weeks. Let's get out a calculator. So first we gotta divide 3,000 by 14 days to get an average bottle. That's 214 bottles. No, I don't think you're right. 214. Now you're 4 guys in the band divided by 4. That's 50 bottles a day every day. No. I'm saying foul, not possible. Okay, a little better. Yeah, 24, 30 bottles I could see a person drinking in a day. Wow, how you guys were still standing and playing, that's amazing. Yeah, that's about 50 was a little high. Wow. No hangover. But it's not like that anymore, eh? Like you said, right? You're gonna go play. Where are you guys? What are you doing tomorrow? Play some heavy metal. Yeah, you're playing tomorrow, so you're not gonna do that. You don't do that anymore. If I did that now at my age, I'd be, you'd need an ambulance. When you're 20, you can do that. Okay. What's the name of the band? If I go on YouTube, would I see a video? And what instrument are you? The singer? You play? Give me some background. The markets are just dumping. We were 23 guys and 18 bottles of Jägermeister for 3 days. Band is As I May. Jägermeister, yeah, my friend introduced me to that. We were playing poker. Wasn't 3 bottles, it was just 1 bottle with some Red Bull. No, step. Say just beer. Just beer. What's the alcohol level in your beer in Finland? In the US, it's low. Here in Canada, we have normal is 5, but you can get beer up to 7% alcohol. Is what we drink, but they're all the way up to, wow, 12. Yeah, 12 is high. Not sure if we got 12. I think we max out at 7. Wow, the volatility is pretty nuts, eh? 24 points, average range at 1 minute candles at 11 o'clock. That's pretty impressive. Over. I don't know. I don't know what piss tastes like. I can't agree with you until I taste piss. I get what you mean. Whoo, look at these moves, man. Come on, push lower. There we go. Let's get a nice move lower. I deserve a nice move lower. That's 1, 2. Every bar is 7 points. Getting out at market 3. 4. And 5, I'm out. Good enough. I'm up 569 in my Bulenox account. crossed 51,000, 51,111. I thought you were out of accounts to trade. Yeah, no, and like I said, I can't open up my Bulenox, and I still have the Bulenox, but I'm out of accounts to trade on the stream, because the stream I can only have the Apex. I mean, it's not true. I could close Apex. And yeah, here, why don't I do that? Let me close the connection. Okay. Let me close Bulenox on my other computer. And let me count to 10. And we'll open up Bulenox. There you go. There's my two Bulenox master accounts. Bulenox has rhythmic problems. Bulenox always has problems. I'm always hanging with Bulenox. And then the other accounts, those are evals, but they're the ones, you know, at 91% off. One of them I could trade. You know what? I think that's enough. I did good with Bulenox. Let me just trade the eval. I don't even know which one. There's only one that I could trade now. All the others are waiting to get renewed. Don't have a lot of accounts with Bulenox. This account here is my highest one. It's number 37. Don't really trade much with them. Like I said, I don't have experience with them. I do, but I don't. I've never requested a payout, and I really didn't cycle through a lot of accounts or a lot of master accounts. They're almost like my backup prop firm when I'm not in the mood to trade. So I just, it's my fool around. See ya. Time to eat. Take care. Okay, let's trade this account. Let's trade it a little aggressively. But not too aggressively. A 6 lot, and I can go short. You know what? Let's put up the Renkos. You guys see what I'm doing? What do I got to do? I got to change the scene for you guys to see the Renkos. There, you see how I trade the Renkos. Now, like I said, the Renkos I'm using to give me signals are on another chart. That one I can't put on the screen. But this is very similar. But the one that I'm following already has me short, which means I already have a black bar. This one looks like it's going to form one. Why aggressively? Because even if it passes, I can't even turn it into a master account. It's a useless eval right now. I have 2 master accounts and Alex has 1. So there's a rule with Bulenox, you can only have 3. Whoa, look at that. You can only have 3 master accounts until one of them reaches the trailing drawdown. And we don't have any that have reached the trailing drawdown, so the farthest one is me. Right now it's 51,100. So until I get to 53,000, I can't even request a fourth one, meaning 3 for me and 1 for Alex. So I get to play. If I'm going to play, I mean, it's not that aggressive. Okay, I'll do 5 lots. Actually, let me close this. I'll do 5 lots. And I'll just trade the signals. So you got the Renkos there. We don't have a full bar above the bands, which means we are still focused on short. If we do get a full bar to form above the bands, in other words, you can see space between the Renko bar and the bands, then I'm looking to go long after a retrace and a continuation. So in this case here, we were above the bands. There's your retrace. That's where I would go long. I'm long 73.49 stop. Hey, doesn't these numbers look better than the other numbers from Apex? Now I look like I know how to trade. I'm laughing. I'm not laughing. I'm sad. Okay, Renko's went short again. Let's try to get in. Come on, give me a fill. Don't be shy. My Renkos are short at 70. Lordy, there at 7 points already. Come on, come back up. Come back up. You didn't do it. There we go. Put me in. I'm short at 72. I'll add at 70. They're short at 70. Yeah, I'll add at 77. You know what? That's enough to take off 63. Let me take off 2. That's 7 points because they're short at 70. I'll take another one off at 14 points. That would be 56. Actually, we're having a hard time breaking the 60s. Get down to 62, 61. Take another one off. I don't want to take risk. 2 lots enough. Let's see what happens. Actually, this is where I should be adding, but oops, accidentally closed, and it's a good thing because it formed a bar. So yeah, this mouse is super sensitive. Okay, so I'd be looking now for another one. I don't see numbers. What do you mean numbers? What numbers? Oh, what? Yeah. You see the price there on the side? 21,000. Accounts. Oh yeah, I don't have my accounts. I only have it on this chart here. There you go. I only have it on this chart. Maybe I can copy and paste, but hold on, I might be getting a trade. I didn't put it up on the other screens. You should know that. Let's go to sources, screen P&L, copy. Let's go to Renko. Let's paste. And let me move it there. There we go. Screen P&L, go up to the top, lock it. I don't know if it's in the greatest location, but there you go. Wait, you said don't these numbers look better than Apex? Yeah, the profit numbers. That's it. That's what I'm talking about. They look much better than my Apex accounts, I can tell you that much. I'm still completely fuming inside though. Oof, I'm raging. I want to take a baseball bat. Yeah. I didn't, yeah. I don't even know half the time what scene I'm on. I think I just assumed they were showing. I don't like him there on the Renko charts. And the Renko charts are also the opening drive play that I just put up over here, which I put my camera there in the middle in case I want to create a 9x16 kind of TikTok video. So that's why the camera is there with the time on top. Anyways, no big deal. Keep it there for today. No harm, no foul, right? Easy breezy. I'm the only one trading. Alex and David quit. Wow, I feel so dejected. I want to cry in my cereal. And no one to blame but myself. Well, at least the Bulenox counts. Did decent, right? It's not all lightning and thunderstorms. There is a ray of sunshine, and I'm not going to touch them anymore, so... Here we go. Okay, if I can get in for half risk, I'll go in for a 3 lot. There we go, that's half risk. Means I'm risking 7 points, and I'm almost stopped out already. Am I long at 83? Am I long? Yep, I clicked the wrong button. Oh, there we go. Oh, back down. Doesn't want to go down, but doesn't want to go up. Let's get out one tiny little piece. Let's keep it for a 2 lot because it wasn't looking good. It says the lo-fi music is playing. I don't hear it. Qu'est-ce spouse. Did I turn on my dial? Oh, yeah, I did. It's going the wrong way. Not according to the Renkos. Where have we come off from? What's the high of this move? 22,300. So it's not that big of a decline yet. 22,300. We're at 21,000. 1,000 points. It's 5%. But the thing that I know that's significant is, if you take a look, we're below the 100 moving average now, and we never really got below there on the other pullbacks in this. Long move up since May, almost a year now. I mean, yeah, we did over here, we did. Interesting. I'd be curious to see when the Heiken actually turns bullish, if we catch a nice run up for a few days. I'll have to remember that. I'm going to keep it like this to remind myself. Renko is short on my screen. So I am short at almost 69. Ooh, a little bit worse of a price. I don't like that. So let me lighten up again. Wanted to lighten up with a decent profit. I don't want to lighten up at even. But I don't know what the market's going to give me, so I still have 3 short. I should be covering one at 63. I don't even know where my... Oh, it's a lot higher. It's a lot lower. There we go. That's one. The next one gets covered at 1, 2, 3, 56. Oh, there's 56. And the next one gets covered at 49, which we're almost at. So why be a D for a T? There we go. Let's push 21,200. Stopped. The Renko bar trading is such easy trading. If only I would just follow it and not try to mix and not take the bullish signals when you're under the bands. And I don't get back today. No matter what I do, I can't get today back. Okay, we're coming up to initial balance. I think we're gonna fade. I think there's a fade trade here. I will take it for a 3 lot on a different style of Renko as soon as I get a blue one. There we go. Actually, we didn't tap into the initial balance yet. I'll hang on a bit more, let it go and tap it. I would think we should have, that should have been a requirement, was to tap it. Okay, out of the trade. Let's tap it first. Or go a few points below it. Let's see what happens. Maybe go down to 21,024. And the first blue bar. These are more aggressive, these Renkos here. They change colors quicker. Well, we kind of run up. I hate front running like that though. I much prefer when it taps into it. Crude, anything in the crude? Ah, crude had a trade. There's your black bar. Let us see, let us see. Oh, I'm gonna need the data box. So the high on this candle was 69.19, 69.19, 69.19, and 69.18. So we didn't break the high, we broke the low. Since we broke the low, we draw in the fib, and it went to 1-to-1. So we had a winner in crude today. And it was in the tradable zone. So there you go. This week so far, 2 winners, 1 loser. So you're up 1 R. Okay, we tapped into initial balance. We're down 20 points though. Not so sure that I want to assume it's not a fade trade anymore. In 1 second we're going to close below it. I'll take a small stab at it for a 2-lot and see. But if we turn bearish on that Renko chart, I'm gone. Very small. Stop. That's it. I don't want to see it run lower. Okay, enough for that chart. That's only what I use it for. Is for touches off the Renko, off the VWAP. But you don't. I won't try 5 times, 10 times. Well, now we're at 21,000. That's another interesting level that might cause a bounce. I'll take a stab again, this time for the 21,000. See why it's not good to be a counter trend trader? I'm still hanging on. That's it. That's all I'm gonna risk. Counter trend trading. It's tough. You gotta take a lot of losers till you're right. I mean, if you keep your losers small. We're at 21,000 again. Let's try one more time. Okay. Took a little piece. I got back to where I was. Made back my losses. It's best when you're right on the first try. I should change the way my profit box shows. I should only have one number. The number that, I think it's total, that actually shows. Let me open it up. Total P&L. That way I can add in the net lick. Look at this stupid thing. Let me take a trade, and I'm supposed to be short, so I will take a trade for 5 lot. Right at the initial balance low. And this total P&L change. Yeah, total P&L changes. Realize doesn't. Okay, so if I would put total P&L and then net lick, you guys can see the balances also. That's interesting. How can I do that? So let me slide it over. Really? Is it that easy? Yeah, that works. Then bring in the net lick. Shrink up the box to where it's on the screen. I don't need. And I think I can open this up a bit. This is, I tell you, Ninja, whoever made Ninjas, as my dad said, had their head up there behind. You move one column and it adjusts all the other ones in some odd way. So let's see. How is it? Yeah, that works. You get to see the account balance. And what else do you get to see? You get to see the total profit. Let's make one change. Add the words and lock it. There we go. Curious, did that copy over to my other screen? Looks like it did. Let me make it big. No, it didn't. Really? They're supposed to be funny. Anyways, well, you know what? I might as well change it. Over here too. I'm here already, right? Let's just grab it up. There we go. Lock it. Hey, is it new song time? Let me know if you want to hear the new song or if you're busy trading. I got a long, I'll switch it to the Rinkos. Since that's what I'm trading. My sons advised me, they said, Dad, if you're trading something, you should have it on the screen. You shouldn't be having something else that confuses people. Okay. I'll put up the Rinkos. Play it. Okay. Sure, let me get out of this trade. Not in the mood to trade anyways, to be honest with you, even though it's going well. 297, not bad for a little bit of scalping. Let me close the lo-fi. It's on this one here, I think. I only put it on one. There we go. let you know when
Yeah.
they say
Posting my
which is it the
trades
130 mark, I
online
think.
just for fun, yeah. Future slowly know it's trending #1, yeah. Comments blowing up from Chicago to New York. It's happening. What's happening? I feel my heart drop. Can't make it stop. Wi-Fi connected. We're taking over. God. Everybody scalping. Ooh, todo el mundo scalping, baby. Honey, what's a guess of Kylie? Everybody scalping. Todo el mundo scalping. Boom, boom. My phone won't stop. Notifications crazy. People worldwide watching me trade. From Miami streets to the LA beaches. We're going viral, baby. Don't try to stop me when we're all competing. Hashtag trending, future story streaming. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. I need out to guess that's Kylie. Everybody scalping. Todo el mundo scalping. Whoa, whoa. Long trade,
Here he
short
comes.
trade. This ain't no pump and dump. Tag all of your friends, let's take it worldwide. Cause we're just in the zone. Future Sport connects us all. Breaking down the falls. Generated profit. So when you know you were my face. We don't need no ICT, no FBG. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. Ali vas a que se cae. Everybody scalping. Todo el mundo scalping. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. Ali vas a que se cae. Everybody scalping. Todo el mundo scalping.
Okay, that's it. Did you hear the wood chip part? New song off. I'm not in the mood for lo-fi anymore either. Where are we in the wrinkle world? I like making the songs. It's fun. It's relaxing. Get myself a coffee. Write the words. Actually, no. Modify the words. I get AI to start me off, and then I throw in the personal things like futures floor and this song here. Actually, the words are written. It had nothing about trading in it. Any reference to trading, like no pump and dump and FPGs, those I all added in myself. Changed them up. Yeah, it plays at the beginning also. I played it at the beginning. It's at the 136 mark. Here, hold on. Let me see if I can find it for you. Let me see. I know I can find it for you. Hold on. Let me just
Scalping. Long trade, short trade. This ain't no pump and dump. Tag all of your friends. Let's take it world.
Okay, you listening? It's after the worldwide. They're going to say wood chips in the zone. Hold on, let me raise the volume. They already said world, so all they're going to say is wide, and then they're going to say wood chips in the zone.
Why? Cause we're just in the zone.
There, did you catch it?
Just flow connects. Cause we're just in the zone. You just. Cause we're just in the zone. You just flow
There we go.
connects us all. Breaking down the falls. Generated profit. So when you know you were my face. We don't need no ICT, no FBG. Todo el mundo scalping,
I like that
baby.
part. With the no ICT, no FVGs. Oh, long again. Look at that. I'm missing all the trades. It's okay. Let's go for a 4-lot here. $40 on a 4-lot would be good. Yeah, the name of the song actually that it wrote was Everybody's Dancing. Todo mundo baila, I think it was. Todo mundo, I guess, is everybody in Spanish, and I just changed it to Todo mundo scalping. 342. Doesn't it look easy to make money? I didn't like that part. Yeah. Write your own song. What is it, creative license or the writer's license? Or there's that expression there? It's not creator's license. Creative license? Is that it? I don't know. There's an expression, something license. Hmm. I guess it depends on the style of music you like also. I like that style of music. I like Daddy Yankee and the other Spanish songs. You know why? They remind us of when we go on vacation because they play the Latin hits. Felt like a DJ there playing the same part over and over. Hmm. Okay, 11:47. I guess it's kind of quitting time. That's not a bad day for Bulenox. Like I said, I don't even know why I'm trading that other account because I'm certainly not converting that account to a funded. They're not going to let me. So I think I'll keep it as my play account. Play account? How stupid is that? Yeah, I'll keep it as my account so I can continue doing bad habits. I can cement them deeper into my psyche. Oh, wow, did I just do damage on my frickin' Apex PA accounts? Too hard. Okay, I guess like my friend used to say, when you get a speeding ticket, just pay it and stop thinking about it. It is what it is. I did the damage. Come back tomorrow. Trade well. Trade well on Thursday. Trade well on Friday. Trade well on Monday. And by then, this should all be a memory, and my balances should be higher than where they were when I started. Keep chugging along with Bulenox. Try to get a payout out of them. And Todo Mundo scalping. Okay. That's enough. I will see you guys again tomorrow at you guys. I will see you with Chip tomorrow at 9:15, I guess. And I'm in at 25,006. What? You're I'm at 25. Oh, okay. I saw I made up an inward. It's not even there. I'm in at 25,600. I thought you were telling me you're long at 25,600. I'm at 25,600. Excellent. Good job. Good job. Better than me. Because if I were to double it, I would need to be at 51,200. We should pace ourselves with these accounts. Try to, yeah, the PA. Keep up with each other. Go slow. Come up with a target like $100 a day for you and $200 a day for me, and try to get there in 15 days for the payout level. Then we got to get a little bit higher. I always say the payout, you still got to get a little bit higher, but I'm going to take one more entertainment trade. Oh, you're not on the Renko charts. Where is it? There we go. It's based on the Renko charts. I got a little black there. As long as it doesn't form a down bar, I'm good. I add when it comes to the midway point. Those are the ones that are what I call the 3-to-1 trades. Actually, a 2-to-1 trade if you think about it. I thought it was a 3-to-1 trade. Oof. How did my math go wrong on that? Maybe with the Renkos I'm using? No, it's a 2-to-1. I incorrectly said those were 3-to-1 trades. The 50% retrace trades are 3-to-1. I think I was referencing that, but that's not a 50% retrace. It sort of is, but it's not. Talking to myself here. There, that's more than $20. That's good. Okay, that was my last play trade. Thanks for showing up. Song was fun. Had some laughs in the end here. Still feeling crappy. I'm going to go keep my son some company, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Hey, click the like button also. Bye. Oh, and I saw your comment and stuff in my video. I appreciate it. Thank you. I got another one premiering today at 1 or 2 o'clock, showing some of the highlights from January. I'm rambling. That's what happens when you drink 2 bottles of vodka. When you're not supposed to. Nice run, man. Okay. Bye, guys.